The surprising health benefits of bananas. Bananas are one of the most popular and versatile fruits in the world. But did you know they're also packed with a wide range of health benefits? Let's take a closer look at why you should be adding more bananas to your diet. First and foremost, bananas are an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. They're rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and the all-important mineral potassium. Potassium is crucial for regulating blood pressure and maintaining a healthy heart. Studies show that the potassium in bananas can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. But the benefits of bananas don't stop there. They're also high in fiber, which is great for digestive health. The fiber in bananas can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Bananas also have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels. This makes them a smart choice for people with diabetes or anyone trying to manage their blood sugar. And that's not all. Bananas contain tryptophan, a compound that can help boost serotonin levels and improve your mood. Plus, their natural carbohydrates provide a steady source of energy. So if you're looking to support your overall health, make sure to keep a steady supply of bananas on hand. They're a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Remember, when it comes to your health, sometimes the simplest solutions can make the biggest difference. Subscribe for more.